Right guys, so I'll just come on and do you a quick video and update of where we are. So we've had the charger fitted. More of a hassle than it was, to be fair. Gentleman turns up at 8:20 this morning. It's a pod point. Turns up. We decide where we're having it. I'll show you the video of that. I'll try and get that done tomorrow. And then he said to me, the tails that come into the meter need to be 25mm thickness. And you've only got 16. I was like, oh no. You need to ring your electrical provider, which was ES Energy or whatever. Give them a ring, which is literally the old electric board as we call it, which provides the cable to the meter. Everything from the meter into the house belongs to you. Everything into the meter belongs to the electric board, as we used to call them. So he said, I can fit it, but I can't turn it on. Like, great. Here we go again. It's all part of the journey, you know. And I know a couple of people have commented that they're buying them, so I thought I'd just come and do this for you. So it's worthwhile finding out whether your tails going into your meter are 25mm. So I rang the electric board and said to them, this is the problem. Passed them over to the fitter. And to be fair to them, they went, a couple of hours with you. I said, how much was it? No, it's free of charge. I was like, I'll take that. I was expecting, say, £500, £600, £700 or like $1,000 if you're in America. I thought, got away with this. Anyway, so the guy leaves, takes a photograph, and he says to me, when you've had it done, ring them and they'll turn it on. Right, great. So to be fair to the lad came at 8 o'clock, he'd left at just gone 11 o'clock, made the phone call at about 9:30. They turned up bang on 12 o'clock. 1 o'clock, they'd come, done it, fitted it, changed all the electrics for me, put an extra fuse in, extra box. Brilliant pair of lads. And it was all done. Thought, fantastic. Rings pod point. You need to send us a photograph. Of what? Of the engineers doing the work. I went, well, they've gone. Oh, but you're speaking to somewhere in the Far East. So I was like, right, great, now what to do? I thought, oh, ring doorbell will capture it. So downloads a photograph of the van outside, sends it to him. Gets an email back. You need to send us the photograph of the meter. It's like, what? Oh, okay. So send him a photograph of the meter. It's been going on all day. Well, all afternoon. From about 12:30 when the lads left. I've just had a phone call at 5 o'clock to say they've activated it, which is fair dues. And I'll do a video and show you exactly what they've done and how much extra work they've done. The lads that were here from the wires in the road to the board, the box that we actually pay afterwards. They were about an hour and a half. The fitting of the actual EV charger was 3 hours. And when I talked to you about that, I had to drill my own hole to put the cable where I wanted it because the fitter wouldn't drill it in case he made a mistake and I tried to charge him. Which is fair enough, I drilled the hole. So the charge is actually inside the porch, which I think is a good idea. But to drill through the double glazing panel, he wouldn't do it. So I had to drill the hole. And then the bracket that comes where you plug your charging end into won't wrap a cable around. So I bought something from Amazon, which is, I think, about £11. I've got the figures somewhere, and that will be, I fitted it myself. And it wraps the cable around and the cable plugs in the end, which I'll show you tomorrow on the next video. So that's been my day. And then I've gone onto BYD's website and had a quick look at some of the offers. And I'll just do it now, however, just to make sure I'm not wrong. BYD Dolphin Surf. UK. Yeah, there we go. Configure your car. Models, Dolphin Surf, learn more. Purchasing, PCP, and all of a sudden the prices have gone through the roof. So like I explained to you, I paid £189 down. It was £189 a month, 0%, and that was for 10,000 miles, making it 245 pence. £200, 45 pence. I'm now on the website now, PCP offers. So the Active, the small one, which had no incentive, is now £269 down and £269 a month. That's the 137 mile range one. The Boost now is £279 and £279 a month. So a £279 deposit, £279 a month. So deposit 1.37. Finance deposit contribution for the Active is nothing. The Boost now is only 1,500, but the 0% APR is gone. It's now 3.9. So on the road price for the Active, 18,650. For the Boost, 21,950. And for the Comfort, 23,950. But remember now they're all 3.9 APR, which I think is shocking, by the way. So that car has gone up since I bought it on the 20th of December to today, has gone up £90. And that will be the interest and the lack of dealer contributions. So the car itself now will be on the road with their little bit of a discount of 1,200, 20,600. So it's probably the wrong time to buy one at the moment. I would wait for that offer to come back. So they've literally not given you the £3,500 off, and they've actually started to charge your interest, which is Santander. So we'll leave it there. Just a really quick video, just to tell you how we got on today. I say from 8 o'clock this morning until 5 o'clock, they've just activated it. It's just gone from red to a blue light, and they said you can't charge it for an hour. I said I don't need to charge it till tonight anyway, so but we'll plug it in. And like I say, I'll show you what we've done, what I bought, what I've added, and what it came with. So you'll see if you have your own chargers fitted. But while I'm here, Happy New Year to you all. I hope 2026 is a really good year for everybody. I hope you're enjoying the journey so far. We enjoyed doing it. There's a couple of more videos to come. 5 things I like, 5 things I don't like. There's some things in this car that are a bit quirky, that you've already seen. And some things that I found that I didn't know were there, which is really good. So that's where we're going to go. Thanks for all your comments, by the way, guys. Really do like reading them. Some of the stuff I've learned just by reading them are really nice. And just thank you for all your nice comments. So I'll get the next video up and done for you tomorrow. I'll get all the charger video done and take you through it. And then I'll do one of how you actually physically do charge it with the PodPoint app. So you can see how you actually configure that. And I'll do one of those for you as well. But cheers, thank you very much indeed. Thanks for all the likes, comments. You know, it's doing very, very well. And I do, without you watching, waste time doing it, I'd be talking to myself. So thanks a lot, guys. I really do appreciate it. Cheers now. Bye-bye.